Someone Just Like You. Written by Helen Docherty and pictures by David Roberts. Somewhere in this world, there is someone just like you, who finds the same things funny and who laughs the way you do. You may speak a different language. You may have a different name. On the outside, you look different, but your feelings are the same. The same things make you giggle. The same things make you mad. The same things make you curious. The same things make you sad. The same things make you happy. The same things make you scared. But you'd both feel so much better if you knew that someone cared. If this someone needed shelter or a place to sleep at night. If they'd have to leave their home because they didn't want to fight. If you saw them feeling sad because they'd left their friends behind, would you be the one to hug them when they needed someone kind? Would you share the things you had with them and help them feel at home? Would you find them things they needed, like a toothbrush or a comb? Would you listen to their story? Would you tell them yours as well? Would you talk about the things you love? A book? A favorite smell? Would you help them feel safe again and chase their fears away? Would you find a way to make them smile when skies were looking gray? Somewhere in this world, there is someone just like you. Perhaps one day you'll meet them. They would love to meet you too. Hey there, friendly readers. If you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe. And if you're feeling generous, please click on the button below where you can donate, or you can email me your own family-friendly animations, virtual field trips, guest teachers, history lessons, tutorials, or read-alouds for everyone to see, share, and be a part of the community. So please go to StoryJ Storytime, and I'll see you next time.